let's do a keratin treatment and a tape-in install in 3 minutes. So first we get the hair cleaned. I use the Kerazon brand from Amazon. Split the hair into 4 sections. I get the hair dry about 80%. 80% because that's the instructions. The trick with keratins is less is more. You should not have like sopping wet sections. You should have very, very damp almost, to the point it's nothing on it, because when it blow dries and flat irons, it should be really, really silky. It should not feel like product is on it. So this is me blow drying the product in. You should use medium to high heat. If it's too high, it will get smoky. I'm gonna just be honest, it gets smoky when the heat's too high. So this is me sectioning it off and pressing it, and it is so pretty and silky. In a second, I'm just gonna show you how pretty it is. Look at that bounce, look at that shine. It's no product, it's just the keratin treatment. That's it, that's all. So now we're gonna do a trim. I like to do trims because the keratin treatment has to sit for about 15 minutes anyway while the hair cools down after the flat iron. And I use a Botox treatment as the mask at the end because it ensures the hair gets really smooth. But listen to what she
exactly what she told.
Oh, that's it. You know, you wash up, you flat iron your hair so much that the only thing that wave up is your roots. Oh, baby. Girl, you give me 2 of these keratin treatments, I bet you my roots won't even motherfucking...
They won't budge.
She loved the results. It was exactly what she was looking for. So now we're going to blow dry the hair. It blow dries faster, smoother, sleeker. I use 2 different brushes. I use one for speed drying and then one for smoothing. That's what this round brush is for, to smooth the hair. So I'm going to start parting the hair off, and really the parting to me is similar to what a sew-in is. Anyway, you want to make sure you leave enough out and that you don't see anything when the hair is pulled up. So we used curly tape-ins, and I pressed the hair as I went along. I'm going to go ahead and jump to the top because if not, it'll be a hour-long video. So it was exactly what she wanted. We left it more on the straighter side because after the hair was pressed out, it kind of didn't want to curl, and that's actually normal. So this is basically the results. I did shape the hair, and you'll see it once I show you what it looks like to wear up. And it's very smooth, and when you get to the back you can't see a thing, and there you have it. When you're ready, book.